trust, risk defined, I know the cost. No emotion, just a plan. One good trade, that's who I am. Seal the trade, precision and pace. Eyes on NASDAQ, I'm locked in place. Entry sharp like a seal on prey. Robbing pips all day, the seal don't play. Seal the trade. $5 in the fire, a flicker on the screen. 1 million is the target, the ultimate machine. They watch the candles fall, they say it's just a phase, but the market calls my name through this digital haze. From 5 to the mill, watch the momentum rise. Every single entry reflected in my eyes. Seal the trade on the chart I command. High leverage clear vision across the market's land. Management's the shield when the red waves crash. Scanning for the setup, I make the decisive dash. EQ futures calling, BTC on the clock. Every single pixel, I know when to lock. Through volatility's roar, I won't lose my grip. Calculated move on this digital ship. From 5 to the mill, watch the momentum rise. Every single entry reflected in my eyes. Seal the trade on the chart command. High leverage clear vision across the market's land. This is the grind, the seal the trade. Seal the trade, the giant red until the million. Five on the table, that's the any 7 years train, never
Hello traders, welcome to another stream from me guys. I hope everyone survived till now. 1.4 trillion got wiped out of the stock and crypto markets at the moment. I hope everyone survived and I feel like we should dive straight into the charts. I already made some bad mistakes here and there, so my balance is shrinking as well. I tried a few times to catch the bottom. Maybe this time it will work out. How are you doing? Everyone's alive, everyone's doing well. What's going on in the crypto market? So let me fast load the chart for you guys. Guten Abend, nice to see you, Psypearl. I'm a bit late today because I was outside with some friends for dinner. I hope everyone's doing fine. At the moment I'm trying to catch here some longs, as you can already see on the display. How was your day, Psypearl? Do you have some good profits in the market? Or are you just watching the kinda strange behavior from Bitcoin? We definitely see some reaction here from Bitcoin. We will see if it's probably another relief rally and then another dump to the downside. Went up and down in yen still. You're still in yen. Wow. Okay. Why? It's so naked. My chart is so naked. Let's load some indicators back in the charts here. I definitely want my VWAP sessions here. VWAP sessions. Yeah, I feel like we could potentially see another push to the upside here. And after a short push, I think we will see more downside, definitely. Okay, it's not loading properly here. It doesn't matter at all. So, one of the big movers here are definitely Zcash. I tried to long this a few times. Now I'm still outside of the market in Zcash. I think I closed my long somewhere down here, unfortunately. Could have made a lot of profit here on Zcash. But I just need to scale down a bit because the market went like crazy and the volatility is still really high. Yo, nice to see you, Luke. How are you doing? You did some nice trades I've seen on Telegram already. Doing good. What about you? Yeah, my balance is shrinking a bit. It's still fine. I'm sitting at $90 at the moment. I'm trying to catch some longs here and there. At the moment I'm still in a hype long 5.4. It's like position value $200 here. I'm into pump and into Sol, so it's fine. You're at $40. Okay, it's good. So you're growing, I feel like. Yesterday was like 15 something. So you doubled it, nearly tripled it, your balance, or you just deposited. It went to $7 yesterday, then 40. Wow. Okay. Now I'm going to deposit. Okay. Keep it slow because the volatility is so high here at the moment. Better don't lose any money in this market conditions here. Pump is showing some strength here. I like it. Bro. Beat. What is Beat? I haven't heard about Beat. You just wrote in Telegram to me, what about Beat? I can't find Beat here, so I can't trade perps with Beat on this exchange. I haven't heard about Beat. What is Beat? This is a new coin that launched maybe today or a few days ago. I feel like we should go here. I don't know, like 1 month old coin. Okay. I also don't know. I feel like we should go at least at first into some TAs here on Bitcoin because it's still the leader, and I feel like we could see a relief rally, as I've been said. But Chase League doesn't give a fuck about Bitcoin. Yes, sounds good, but Bitcoin is also pushing higher here. We don't have like the complete nice movement here. We have a double bottom, but I would much rather see a liquidity grab to the downside, and then you could try to long. So we didn't get this liquidity grab, but we are still pushing higher here, which is kind of nice. Ken is looking really nice here on Bitcoin. So we're getting bigger and bigger candles here, and market is really trying to push higher, which is kind of bullish here, not gonna lie. We're still sitting in a resistance range here, but it's not looking that bad at all. So let's make something up here. So here's the top range of this top zone of this range here. We have the bottom side of this range here, and it's looking really bullish. Maybe we can see definitely a higher push to the upside. So be careful if you try to short this, or if you bottom short this, then you're probably getting wrecked here at some point. It's fine. It's not that bad at all. Bitcoin's kind of pushing higher. We have Stark. Stark is up 18% here for today, and trying to push higher. Wow, look at this relief rally here on Stark. I'm sorry, I don't know why my internet is not working that properly at the moment. Let me just close some windows. Maybe this is the reason here. Doesn't give a... It's nice. So we have like a... You're still in the speed trade, or you already closed it, Luke? You're still into it? Nice one. Let me have a look if I can load it here on TradingView. It's 500% gain trade. Congrats. Let me load it up here. Beat. This one probably. Perpetual USDT. It's called Odiera. No, it's probably not this one, yeah. Or it's called Odiera, something like this. Or it's Emacs, Bitmart, Beat. It's a symbol Beat. Should be the Maxi ones here, yeah. Odiera. It's kind of crazy, really. Why I can't edit? Okay. Try again. Beat USDT. Oh, we can. It's like sitting at 4.42 at the moment. So it's this one here. Is it loading that slow here? Is it this one, Luke? Really, I wanna get my indicators back on my charts here, at least my VWAP. Sitting at 0.42. Where did you caught this move from the completely downside here? Or it's not the right symbol? Probably not the right symbol here. Let me check another beat. So in my opinion, market should go a bit higher here. Ah, it's the right one, yeah. Ah, no, it's not the right one. If you got in, so you longed it, yeah, or you shorted. Ah, you tried the short here. Then it's pretty nice. 4-5 something. So it's the right coin. At 4.55. That's a nice short. Don't know why my chart is not working here properly. I can't do anything at the moment. Let me fast refresh here my trading view. Wow, looks like a really nice trade. Also, I've seen it on Telegram. Your risk reward was on point. Congrats for this trade. Amazing. Well played, well played.
Tell me now, twice will you break the zone? Is this the move or a trap I'm shown? This level feels much higher.
No, it's not because of me. You did it by your own, really. I'm just here for entertainment. So, what can we see here? This is the audio. No, it's Olo. Why is Olo? Okay, it didn't add it here. Why it didn't add my beat here? The risk management helps. Yeah, for sure. I'm really happy if I could help you in any point. So let's have a look at beat. Let's see your trade and have a small look on it. So liquidity is on maxi not that high. You see you have a few holes here in the candlesticks, but it doesn't matter for the analysis. 0.455 is somewhere here up. Wow, amazing. It's still not working. Why it's not working? Come on, it's so annoying. Ah, now it's working. What the fuck is going on? So this long short is not working. I don't know why. My trading view website is so buggy here. This pencil stick is working, but my risk reward is not working. Maybe if I can... No. I don't know why. So we can just do it by hand. You entered 455 somewhere here, and your stop was probably somewhere here, and your profit target is point something. This is a hella big profit. .34 is down here. Probably there is some liquidity on the downside here. So you're aiming for this liquidity probably. Yeah. Wow. Kinda crazy risk reward here. Congrats. If this plays out really nice, you will probably double your balance, triple your balance, I don't know. But really look at these levels, yeah. If you see some rejections or some bullish momentum here at this support zones here, at these levels, or down here at these levels, then definitely take some partials out, and yeah, and maybe you can get this whole move to the downside. Would be really nice. Congrats for this trade. could happen, definitely. I don't know this Bitcoin really. Wow, Aster is also pumping here. So we definitely have a look at the moment now, because Bitcoin is kind of relieving. Maybe we can get some more moves into the market and exponentially grow our balance. So this is the point here at the moment. Maybe we see some risk on trades here. We'll kind of have a look at what's going on here on Bitcoin. Kind of resistance level here, yeah. Be careful here. Yep, Cyper, I did another track here, kind of similar to my topic here, but more like into techno psy, you know, especially for you. My new track here, I don't know if you can hear it. So we have like, yeah, kind of ranging here. What I want to see it going up here. More like into techno, you know, it's probably your favorite music style, yeah. Techno, psytrance. Yeah, this is what I want to see. If we go up here on this range here, then I definitely want to try to catch some more altcoin longs. At the moment here, I'm still in this pump, Hype and Solana, whatever. It's not that optimal, not that kind of a good trade here. I also had a lot of downside here, so we will see how this develops. I'm not a fan of holding this that long, this trade, if it's not working out. I'm going to be trading these new coins on Binance. They're so profitable. Yeah, if they're profitable, you can trade it. You just, but I don't know if you should try to short every new altcoin that's launching on Binance. I think this can work out, but not always, of course. Stop loss always in profit. It's nice nowadays. So no risk. So nice, yeah. Pretty good. Pretty strong risk management. Of course, you get stopped out a lot of times, but if you make 1 or 2 runners, it's still okay, and you make profits. So only Solana is a bit not pushing that much here at the moment. Falling head first. What is a falling head? Is this a new formation? I don't know what is falling head. I only know this looks kinda toppy here. Topped blow off top here on Beat or Yera. I don't know what this coin is. Untenable basketball Mo. Upside, my first target would be 93938. Let's have a look. So yeah, it's could go lower here. We have good momentum to the downside here on your Bitcoin. Let's have a small look at BTC. On which levels you're oh yeah, at the moment maybe looks not that optimal on Bitcoin. We see some big red candles here to the downside again. So I hope we can find somewhere support now and try to push higher. I think 9.8 something, 9.89. Can mark this. 9.89 is somewhere here. 9.89, 9.3. Yeah, somewhere here on top. Yeah, could be. So we have like this movement here where there's maybe zero liquidity, and if the market is trying to pump here and we see something like this, most of the time it just went through these levels here because there's potentially no support in these levels. Yeah, it can happen, really. Yeah, I see it. We still have the first resistance here. So if I draw this resistance, it's most of the time zones, of course. So it's more like a. Then it's still not working. Also not working. Oh, it's still working. So we're like here in this zone where we have a potential resistance in the market, and if we went through, then it should jump directly back up here. Yeah. But I'm feeling like we could see a move to the upside, yeah. Maybe a short move to the upside and then the next days again down. This is what I could see in the markets at the moment, because the markets are not strong anymore at the moment. And more bearish at the moment. Let's have a fast look at NQ. Wow. Okay, now I understand why Bitcoin's pumping. Look at this. This is textbook shit here, okay? You see this? This is how I always make my money in the markets. You're shorting everything. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's a really right thing at the moment to do most of the time. But really, this is textbook shit, okay? NQ, we have like the double bottom liquidity grab and like the instant pump higher with big green candles here in the market. This is really nice movement here on NQ. Unfortunately, I was outside with my friends, but this is a movement. I definitely get into it here, somewhere here in this area, because of this big volumes getting into the markets. Nice move to the upside, really like it. This is probably also the reason why Bitcoin is trying to pump higher here. Everything is correlated in some way. Nice, I like it. Good for bulls here. So yeah, look, be careful with shorting everything, because we're trying to push higher at the moment. And you know, most of the retailers will try to short the last dump. Really, it's most of the time like this. Yeah, the new Binance coins probably, yeah. But I'm not into this launchpad stuff like usual. One of my biggest launchpad coins was in 2021. It was Axis, and this Axis I bought like for $1,000, and it went 100x, and I just bought it on launchpad. It was one of the nicest gains ever, and easy money. I just held, put 1k into it, and yeah, it went 100x. This was like the rally in 2021. It was fun. Now this Axis game is probably dead, I don't know. It was AXS, it was like Axis shard coin. AXS. I just bought it as it launched on Binance. I don't know if it's still alive, probably not. You know, this Axis game, it was one of the first NFT games on ETH, then it changed to Ronin, what is kind of sidechain, something like this. The only reason why I'm holding the best rate is because it keeps making lower lows. Nice, good prediction, good overview of the markets. Hype is doing good, Pump is doing good, Soul is kind of rejecting here again. So at first I have to look at the moment what's NQ doing, and if I see NQ struggling, let's have a look what's Bitcoin doing. Potentially also struggling. That's kind of good, it's kind of good, okay. Kind of struggling, kind of finding a resistance here in this level. But we have still good candles here if you compare it. We have still big green candles here. We're trying at the moment still to push higher. So I'm still holding here my altcoins. We have a look at Zcash, okay? Zcash is completely crushing it here, guys. Chat, what's going on with Zcash, you know? Earlier I opened a long, but I closed it way too early. Come on, just load, come on. Yeah, let's have a look at this, okay? Imagine, okay, Zcash is getting pumped because liquidity at 600. It's good, you know. This is times on 150. Where did I open this? Let me check what time. 12 hours ago. Probably, yeah. I tried a few times to long this. I made only a few times profit because I was a bit scared of these moves on Zcash compared to the other altcoins. I don't know if I want to short this coin here with this kind of bullish momentum. So we have here this lower high here, definitely. We have here a lower high, definitely. But the momentum is so strong for today, so probably it can push higher to all-time high soon. Also all-time high somewhere at 700-800, I think. So really be careful here on Zcash. It's kind of crazy to trade, not gonna lie. 605. You wanna? Then I'm shorting 4444 at 605. 605 is here. Yo, nice to see you, mate. How are you doing? I hope you have a beautiful Friday. So we're at the moment analyzing this Zcash here and wondering why it's pumping that crazy at the moment here. Kind of crazy movement, but you have still this big dumps here in the markets, also on Zcash. So really be careful if you try to catch a long here. Because liquidity at 600, I'm giving a 5 grace that I'm shorting because so much liquidity at 4444. Probably, yeah. So this move is good here on Zcash. I like this kind of movement. But then look at this strange movement. Pump to the upside then nearly insta dump, and then we're trying to push higher. Really be careful here. Potentially it's also a long, but I'm still long in 3 positions, so I'm not opening any positions anymore. Hype is not doing that bad. Pump is trying to pump. Only Soul is kinda weak here, because I opened a bit too late my positions, but I was out with friends, so it's okay, I feel like. Nice relief push. Maybe we're not finished yet with our bull run. I'm just a bit scared because of the weekends. Weekends there's always a lack of volume and markets tends to go lower. So it can be a crazy weekend here for Bitcoin if we hold some levels or not, or we just completely went down again and built lower lows again on Bitcoin. I don't want to see Bitcoin going lower. I'm always more like a fan of bullish markets and trying to trade some bullish momentum than shorting. Especially I'm also a spot holder of coins, so for me it's always good if the market's pumping. I have access to Sol, by the way, but maybe next week I might try to join CryptoTrade. That would be nice. Yeah, sounds good. You can try a shot somewhere here and there. You can see 100k BTC again. Everything is possible, sure. We trade level by level here, yeah. Yep, Cyper Soul is one of the strongest alts, really. Beat is showing some movement to the upside for you. You can have a small lock on your beat trade again. Oh yeah. So liquidity is really not that high here, especially on Maxi. Probably on Binance you don't have these holes in the chart. Yeah, we're trying to push higher here. It's pretty cool, and be careful here. Be careful here on these levels. Potentially you don't want to see it go over this level, otherwise it's kind of risky. It could easily jump. Then if he push through this level here, you can easily jump higher. I hope we are not pushing higher for you, because then jumps back up. So now it all depends on how this candle closes here. Yeah, you don't want to see it going higher here, but what could happen here is something like touching and then trying to go lower. This is one of the things that I really hate in trading, because you in some way you need to cut your losses or take profit in this way, but otherwise you just cut it at this point where market kinda find a resistance. So it's really difficult. So sometimes you get stopped out here and the market completely went down again. But then if this happens, you can try to catch again the short move here or somewhere in this area, because if you see some momentum to the downside. But better take some profits, and yeah, it's always like this. That's what happened on Zcash Hype like 5 times this week. Yeah, this can happen a lot. But you know, you need to take profits in some way, and you also need to don't risk so much. So better get stopped out than lose some money, or don't bank it, in my opinion. like it senses my stop loss. Yeah, you can try, of course, to put it a bit more higher in this case. Facing my stop loss. Yeah, it feels like this. It's like a magnet. You could definitely try to put it a bit higher, but most of the time, if you put it higher, if the momentum is here and the market is trying to push, you get also stopped out. So most of the time, the stop loss directly at the resistance is much better. You save some money, because if you try to put it here at this level here or a bit higher, most of the time, if the momentum kicks in, it pushes higher. You see this? Momentum is kicking in here. Probably we're going much higher now. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, sometimes it's like this. As I've been said, you know, textbook shit. Textbook shit. Holy shit. You see this? I just talked about it, guys. You see this live on stream? Okay, it's not like, it's really, yeah. It's not like payback. It's a real chart. It's a real analysis, live trading, okay? Live trading price action. As I've been said. Kinda crazy, yeah. I just forecasted this move, unfortunately for you, Luke. I hope you got stopped out here at my orange line, but I know this, okay? If this orange line is pushing here with momentum, we're going much higher. Kinda crazy here. Didn't stop you out yet, okay? Okay. I hope you're fine still. Let's clean this up here. But analysis here was again on point here for me, I feel like. My analysis was again on point. If we reject here from this level with momentum, that we're going higher. Easy to see, easy to trade, in my opinion, but your short was really nice here, not gonna lie. Your short was definitely on point here at this level. But the volatility on this altcoins that launched today or a few days ago is so brutal. So it's like a movement from 5% in a few minutes. So yeah, really be careful here. At least you can't lose any more on your trade. So maybe we can see another rejection to the downside. Everything is possible still. Okay, hype is coming back a bit. Pump is pumping. Let's have a fast look at pump. What's going on here? Not much at all. So we are holding the levels here. We are building lower highs here on the market. We're building small higher highs here as well. So we're kind of moving to the upside, but really slow. I think it could still work out here, this trade. The upside is brutal on this trade, you see it. We have a big upside here on pump. It's 25% where we went down in 1 day. Or in 2 days if you see it like this. Got stopped out. Yo. Sorry, bro. But you know, in some way I just forecasted it for you, so I don't know. Of course I'm not always right, but I sensed it in a way here that this coin will if we go through this yeah, through this level here that we want to push higher. So you at least banked some profits, which is good. Your balance is growing, it's still okay. I feel like you still nailed it in some point, in some way. Yeah, it feels like heavy squeeze here, yeah, sure. I want to see these candles here on Bitcoin. Really? But compared to the yesterday moves, this is like not that strong. This is still, which is still going up. Bitcoin bitch or your beat. So Bitcoin is in a way really weak here. I hear that Michael had to sell some of its Bitcoins, Michael Saylor. There were some news because I think the value of the company dropped below their Bitcoin holdings or something like this. It was kind of strange decoupling going on this MicroStrategy company. I just wrote on X some threads. There was some strange things going on. I don't think he sold already, but he should be way in profit. He's always trying to buy some coins, but Michael cashes out. No. He will never cash out. Otherwise, we're really doomed. That market is not going to zero, but will take a big dump. I only saw this. I don't know if you know Crypto. I don't know if it's real or it's like a fake picture what he posted. I think he also cashed out some Bitcoin. I don't know. I really don't know much about the speed. This is highly manipulated. It launched today, so it can really go in every direction. It's so hard to predict where a coin will go after a few hours of launch time. It really can go everywhere, really. It was launched along. Okay. And now it woke up. I don't know. I only see this. It can go lower, it can go higher. I think we're in a good retracement zone here. What we can do, we can try to make a fib retracement here. You open a short again, okay. Could work out, but like it's a bit early, yeah. So we haven't a lot of structure here and in the chart here at the moment. So on my 3-minute time frame, we don't see any rejection here at the moment. It still can go down, and I hope it will for you. We can do it like this. Let me see here. It's like the 0.5 retracement on from the high here on the chart to the low. Nice. Good. You're eating good. Nice. You're cooking. Really good trade here. So we're here at this 0.5 rejection level here. Maybe we see some more downside. Be careful with this shit coins here, really. Can move really fast, and it's really hard to predict where it's going. My hype is also going down again here. At the moment it's not looking good for my balance and for my challenge here, unfortunately. I'm still trying to make my account bigger every day on a $1 trade. Okay, it's fine, 0.5 loss or $20 profit. Okay. Yeah, just write it. It's good. You can play it like this. It's fine. So, pump. Come on, pump. I know you like to pump. Give me that pump here, pump. Pump is one of the coins that fundamentally are really strong. I want Elon Musk to talk some shit about this coin. Yeah, but there are a lot of bots that always opening or trying to create some coins. It depends on what's Elon posting. There's some really strange stuff going on always. I don't like it at all. Also the strangest, I don't like to trade it. Yeah, you know this before yesterday, before this announcement from Trump yesterday, Trump Jr. opened highly leveraged short positions and he's up like, I don't know how much million, about 100 million or something. This is how Trump Jr. makes money, you know. And someone says insider trading is not allowed. What is going on? Really? Oh, it's not looking good. Solano is also rejecting here. Beat is kind of holding here. Be careful here with your short, of course. Shitcoins are always kind of strange to trade and really difficult to trade compared to bigger altcoins. Yeah, I see Bitcoin's going lower here. Bitcoin is building here a good wick to the bottom side, bottom wick here. This formation should hold, otherwise we're going probably down here at this level. We'd go to zero, yalla. Yeah, would be nice for you. Would love to see it for you. Be careful here if you're longing Bitcoin. I wanna see it definitely close it about this level here, so we don't reject to the downside. Fast look at Solana. Solana is one of the weakest coins here, I feel like. It looks nearly similar to Bitcoin. I also have this bottom here, this typical double bottom here, building higher lows here in the market. Higher lows, higher lows. Higher high, higher high. Now it's kind of moving slow and maybe consolidating again, and then we will see if we are going to the upside or to the downside. This is how it looks at the moment on a lower time frame. I don't want to look at, we can look at higher time frames, but at higher time frames, yeah, Solana looks really cooked here. Fast look at Solana. Then it looks like a rug or like a scam coin in some way. Only down. So if you put this parallel channel like this, you see it, potentially we have a chance to go up here again. It's only 1 hour time frame, so it's not that big of a time frame. So we only analyzing here from September to now, so it's only 2 months here analysis, and in this 2 months we only grinded lower here. So we could potentially see a higher move to the upside to 160, 170, 160, 170. We were there only 5 days ago, okay? Percentage-wise, it's a lot, really. So really be careful here. I just don't want to see it going lower here. I'm still a bit bullish here for today. But if we go here up at 160, when everyone turns back bullish, I am trying to short after we reject this levels here on the top side. This is how I want to see it. But at first, we need to play this lower levels here. And yeah, it looks like we gonna reject. How's Beat doing? Are you still in this trade? You got stopped out, you're taking profit, you're running it to zero. Just change my text here.
Risk management's the shield when the red waves crash.
Viewers.
Scanning for the setup, I made the decisive dash. AQ futures calling, BTC on the clock. Every single pixel, I know where to look. Through volatility's wrong, I won't lose my grip. Calculated moves on this digital ship.
Okay, your short is probably looking good here on Beat. Fast look on traditional markets. What is NQ doing here at the moment? NQ is kind of grinding higher here, which is really nice. I love to see that going higher here. Looks really good. Yeah, Bitcoin is struggling here. You have another big red candle here on 3-minute time frame here. Be careful here if you're still into your longs. I also need to be careful here because I'm still sitting in 3 longs here and the market is kinda moving higher. Crank Ape, nice to see you again. How are you doing? I hope you have a beautiful Friday. Market is kinda hard to trade for today. I hope you're in profit. You made some good gains here in the market.
Wake up, charts lit, it's a new day. Focus locked in on the ORB play. Open range breakout, candles go wild.
Yeah, my balance is a bit shrinking here these days, so I'm still sitting at $90 here. So I took some losses here and there after I tried yesterday to catch some longs after it dumped. I'm back long again, but yesterday liquidation. Ooh. I hope you're still good. wonder if it's still a bearish sentiment. Yeah. We are still in a bearish sentiment for sure. We see probably a small relief rally to the upside, and then, in my opinion, we could definitely see some more, some more downside in the markets. So always be careful. We are not anymore in easy mode where you can just press the green button and long nearly everything and make money. Now the markets are really difficult and hard to trade, with a lot of scam rigs, with a lot of choppy markets, with a lot of sideways movements. It's not that easy anymore. So, Crank Ape, where are you longing, or what are you longing? Are you longing Bitcoin or altcoins, or you can have a look at it if you want to. Of course, you don't need to share it, of course, but Ethereum, Solana. Yeah, so Solana I'm also long, but it's one of the weakest here, I feel like. It's not that pushing that high here, and we're also rejecting here again. It's not looking that good, I feel like. Big red candles here on Solana again. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's kind of holding here, but Solana is one of the weakest, really. I don't know why. So weak. Haven't looked in a while to Ethereum. Ethereum is, yes, nearly looking same like Bitcoin, I feel like. Not much difference to Bitcoin. From the chart, yeah, it's okay. I hope you got a good entry here on altcoins, somewhere here on the downside, and it should be working out for you. It should be a really nice trade. If you can see a pump to the upside, of course, but it's definitely possible in my opinion. I don't think it's like a too small for a relief rally. One thing I don't like that today is Friday, so the volume is, yeah, decreasing on weekends, so the market could dump much easier. That's rejecting here as well. Oh wow, okay. Now I'm back in 3 red trades. Hey, my entry is not that good, I know it. I will take a small loss on pump just to take some risk out of the market here. I don't like this formation here at all. Fast look at NQ. Yeah. Potentially we will see another small correction. Wow, this looks really cooked here. Yeah, my own song. Like it? So my whole playlist is like songs from me. Wow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles in a row with no reaction from the bulls here. Okay, crazy, never mentioned that.
That's my ammunition. NQ leverage heavy when the set is clean. But the first commandment, capital stays lean. Stop loss position where the structure breaks. Every entry calculated, no room for mistakes. While they chase emotions, I'm the second tape. Trading like I'm weighing, measuring the take. Temperature cold when I'm sizing the play. Numbers don't lie, let the indicator
It's
say.
really a hard market here at the moment. Not gonna lie. Thank you, Crank Ape. You too. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it if you look into my stream here. It's already a bit late for me at the moment. I'm still feeling a bit tired because I was also outside with some friends, so nice. I like it, and I hope I can help you also with some trading. Maybe not, maybe yes. I don't know how you're trading or how your knowledge is about trading, but I'm always trying to make some analysis here for you guys. Everyone needs to learn. I still need to learn a lot of trading stuff because market switches, we need to fit the market conditions at the moment. We're at the moment here in but I do this for maybe 15 years. Wow, this is a really long time. So I don't think you're a beginner. I think you're at least advanced, if not professional. Nice. Congrats. If you still hold it, if you are a hodler, then congrats, really. Garden landscape company, so I don't have the time. Oh yeah, okay, I feel you. Still congrats. Be careful here on Bitcoin. We're kind of rejecting here on altcoins as well. Everything's going down at the moment. Be careful, really. I hope we can hold here at this level here. Then we still have some rejections to the downside. We can still trade it level by level. I don't want to risk a lot on the trades here at all, because my entry is really bad, not gonna lie. So my first Bitcoin was under 1,000 euros, dollars. Yeah, euros, dollars was nearly the same these days. It was still okay, but I was relatively young at this time, so I haven't bought a lot of Bitcoins, unfortunately. Probably you're the youngest here. So my first Ethereum was about $15. 36, yeah, good. You're still young. Yeah, I'm already 30 years, so I'm already also have the 3 before my age, unfortunately. I'm also pretty old. But yeah, my flag 25, yeah, me too. I also bought my first Ethereum at $15. It was one of the biggest gains I had these days. But I also bought a lot of altcoins that no one knows anymore. In the early days, I bought Ant, what then is called Neo. I bought a lot of Litecoin. It was these days much higher than now. How old is Cyper? I haven't read it. I'm nearly 50. Nah, I don't think so. I think he's trolling, really. No, he's not that old. No. 100% not. You're not trolling? I might be 18 in February. Good. Still learning early to trade. It's nice. I also started my trading journey in the age of 18 something, yeah. Started with forex trading. But don't use forex. It was one of the scammiest things I've ever done, I feel like. I know Cyper is also trading forex, but it all depends on the brokers in forex. If you have some really scammy, shitty brokers, then you only lose money. Okay, that's funny as well. I haven't heard this before. I am not counting my age anymore. Yeah, you're a funny guy, Cyper. Yeah, so NQ is one of the strongest here at the moment, which is kind of good for Bitcoin if NQ is not dumping. But we see again here this typical pump and dump everywhere on a lower time frame, which I really don't like to see. I want to see normally much clearer moves to the upside and not like this pump and dump here and there. We definitely should hold here in this area, otherwise we will sell off and we are seeing this bottom here again, which I definitely don't like to see. Yeah, and again some sell-offs getting into the market. Really be careful, guys. Be careful if you're longing like me. I should definitely close my longs soon. Crank Ape, I hope you have a much better entry than me and you make some good amount of money here in this small relief rally, if you can call it like this. I don't know, probably it's too small move to call a really relief rally. I started from the bottom. Wow, nice. Really good. Congrats for this entry here. Where did you enter and why did you enter, if I can ask you? You looked for this double bottom and then you saw this big candles to the upside and then you entered. Would be nice. Would be a nice trade with good analysis. I don't know like you, I don't like the situation. Me as well. I also don't like the situation anymore. So today is another day where we're trying to catch some longs. You see my balance is shrinking as well. I'm sitting here at 86 at the moment. My highest balance was 150 something or 100, close to 160 I think on this challenge account here. But it's also really hard to trade these markets here because the markets are so choppy. 174 I think, could be, yeah, or 157. I think 157 or 174, something in this area, yeah. ETH started at 3070, but that was pure luck. 3070. It's wow. Congrats to this amazing trade here. You should be in a really big profit here. You catched completely the bottom. We have like 2 candles that were at this level here. Congrats. Really nice trade. How much percentage is this? So you're already up 4.49%. So if you just used a small leverage, definitely worth it. Yeah. Okay. Just probably bank some profits. I feel like we could reject here, definitely. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is showing again some weakness here in the markets. We have a lot of red candles to the downside with a lot of volume. Really be careful here. So what time is it here in? So we're already in the afternoon session on New York. Kinda crazy. So you're still holding your beat short, Luke? Or are you already stopped out here? So you tried this short here. You're already into it. So you're probably at break even now here on your $0.30 loss current. Oh yeah. Be careful here, yeah. Just put your stop loss at stop me out, Joe. Stop me out now. Okay, it's fine. You took a shot here and there. You took your stop loss and you don't risk too much. Good one. Risk management is everything, guys. Take small losses and make big wins, and then your balance will grow. That's how we accomplish trading here. Luke know what we're doing. Sometimes you're flipping maybe too much long and shorts, I feel like. About gold, yeah, gold is like I think it came down again. I'm a fan of gold, not gonna lie. I feel like this is a good safe haven in some point, but we're like, look at this chart here on a daily time frame here. We're only going up here exponentially, which is also kinda not good for the I think it goes down now. Should be. At some point it will go down, yeah. But everyone call gold as a safe haven because you have like value. You're in a short. Nice. I like this short really. It's like really textbook shit here. It's completely textbook. If you look at like this, we have a high here, rejected, retest at this level here, and then next candle to the downside. Nice. You want to see it like this? You would take this? Probably yes. You started at 4250. Wow. Amazing trade. Congrats. Started and then 4300. Ah, you already tried this candle here. So you tried to okay. Can do it. Yeah, also good. I thought you took the second this lower high here. But this is also really good here. So this is a bit front running. If you entered here on this high, you're kind of front running your short. So if you enter more here, you're more like trying to yeah, short this confirmation. Still good, still nice trade. Congrats. I hope it will work out, but it looks really good. The structure looks really nice. Fast look at Bitcoin. Oh wow, okay, Sol is hitting me hard at the moment again. Potentially look better for a short here in the markets at the moment. Not longing like me, because my entry is really bad. Let me see, we have this level here, this level here, this level here. If next year is good to us, I come visit you in Asia. Would be nice, would be nice. Would really enjoy it, yeah. I can show you a lot of Asia. A lot of countries. Asia is so big. A lot of beautiful countries. Here, Psypearl is, for example, sitting in Jakarta. It's Indonesia. Also a beautiful country. Let's see how the market develops here, guys. Maybe we see another pump to the upside. I think it's probability-wise, we should go more down here, in my opinion. Yeah, and it turns red again. Let's have a look at my positions. I'm still need to make this bigger, so I will take some. Let me check out here. We have still here a resistance zone, but I don't want to lose a lot of my balance here. So I will close my high position here, just in case we're going lower. As well, my Solano is, it's only, let me check. We have big red candles. We have no buyers here anymore. Everything that tried to pump the markets are just back to red. Bears are just trying to pull this chart down here. Sol don't look good. No, everything doesn't look good anymore here. Really be careful if you're also in your long positions. You have some more wiggle room here, so you have more room to play as me. Because for me it looks like I completely longed the top here, which is really bad. This is the reason I took this L here as well. And I am looking again for shorts. Wow, look at Bitcoin. Holy shit, what is going on? We're accelerating again to the downside. We still have a support level here. Maybe it turns into resistance soon. Be careful here at these levels. It's kind of important here how the market reacts to this level here. So we don't see this lower highs here. we see a rejection level here. And what we also can see that the market is accelerating to the downside. Better try to take some shorts in the markets for today again. So if you try it at any time for today and not this bottom here, you would have made money. Only if you try to short this bottom here, you will lose. Otherwise, the whole day you would have made money. And in the moment it looks like we're going back down here. It doesn't look good for Bitcoin anymore. We're losing this level here. This level is lost. Come on. We lost this level. We are losing this level here also. 2 levels lost here. And we're accelerating. This means we see bigger red candles to the downside. Looks not good. Of course, we can maybe find some support in some areas. Maybe we could find some support here in this area. But it's not looking good here anymore. It's potentially maybe a bit too late to short here. But the shorts are definitely stronger than the longs. So, Luke, you're still in your beat position. Beat is pushing higher. Or you have closed it already. So I feel like I'm in a hype and beta short. It's printing. Hype is printing. Let's have a look at Zcash. What is Zcash doing? Wow. The reward on Zcash is pretty nice, but I feel like this coin is one of the strongest in this bearish phase of the market at the moment. So we definitely need to be careful here on the markets on Zcash. Kinda looking good here. Should we take a shot? Have a look at Sol. Wow, Sol is completely down. Meteora. What is going on with Meteora? Is it already listed on Binance? Look, you're trading on Binance, yeah? Can you check if it's possible to trade Meteora on futures? Yeah, Binance. Is it possible to trade Meteora, MET, on Binance futures now? I thought yesterday was the announcement for the listing, but it looks like today it was released because of this volume. Yeah, possible, yeah. Should I short it? You know what is Meteora? What's Meteora doing? Meteora is like, nope. You know how DEXs usually work. So you have always a buyer or sellers, and you have some kind of a pool. And Meteora do this for Solana. So you have like a pool where people put some SOL in. For example, if you have the pair SOL against USDC, so people put SOL in the markets, in the pool and USDC, and buyers and sellers will take out of this pool how they trade. So for example, if I want to buy Sol, then someone have to provide that Sol that I'm gonna buy. The Starcrest, thank you for your follow. Nice to see you here. I hope you're doing good for today. Happy Friday. Are you a trader or what are you doing? Nice to see you. Are you a beginner trader or advanced trader? Yeah, trader. Nice, nice. Are you focused on crypto or more on traditional, like stocks or NQ futures? Advanced prop firm trader. Okay, sounds good. Which prop firm are you using? Are you using FTMO, Thunder Pro, Oanda? FTMO I know, Thunder Pro and Oanda I don't know. So I hope you're doing good and have a beautiful Friday. So at the moment I'm still doing here a $5 to $1 million challenge and I'm sitting here at $83. I lost a bit out of my balance, so my top was already at 150 something. But the market is really hard to trade at the moment. We're trying our best to make some money every day here. And yeah, I would really enjoy and appreciate if you can join us more often here. How did you turn the $5 to $80? That's good. Now it's really hard. Most of the time I took longs, big longs, and scaled into these longs. Most money I made, I think, with Zcash at some point. I was down to $40 and then I made it back to 150. And before I traded most of the time Aster, and this was also on a big move to the upside. So this was my probably 2 coins that I traded the most successful in this stage. It was a nice run. At the moment we switched a bit from longs to short. I still try to catch some longs here, but market is kinda rejecting here again. So at the moment we are still looking for more shorts. Are you also into crypto at the moment? I don't know if you can trade crypto as well on these prop firms. So my thing is at the moment waiting for a retest and then trying to short the markets. That's it. I'm always playing like low risk, high reward. So I'm always getting stopped out. Maybe 3, 4, 5 times in a row. Why don't you use Binance so? At the moment I'm not using Binance because I want to farm this airdrop and I feel like it's more in the sense of crypto if I use decentralized exchanges. So if there's that kind of tech where you don't need to trust any central exchange, I will use it. Makes sense? So at the moment here I'm farming 2 airdrops. I'm farming this based airdrop, which is this platform I'm using. And I am farming as well Hyperliquid because he's routing through this Hyperliquid protocol. So maybe a season 2 airdrop I will get some money back from Hyperliquid protocol. As well I'm getting some money out of this based here. Everyone can use this. You can use my referral if you want. the leverage is not that big, so you can, I think most of the symbols or coins you can trade up to 10x. But for most of the traders it should be enough, I feel like. That's the time to short here. I'm pressing here short. I don't want to short here because I saw this bottom wick here, but after I see this rejection candle here on the top, I am trying my shot. I'm kind of front running here, but we will see how this develops here on this level. Take a small short here. I don't want to risk a lot here, but I feel like the potential, the probabilities that we're going back to the lows here are definitely here. Yes. Where is my trade invalidated? My trade would be invalidated if we're going higher than this level here. Yeah, somewhere here. So we have like this risk reward here on, let me just enter here, risk reward should be on point. Risk reward is 3.79. Still good. It means we can be out of 10 trades we can be wrong 7 times and we still make money. So our hit rate can be about 30%. Which is kind of nice, I feel like, compared to a coin flip.
Yeah. London Open. US Open. Let's go. Seal the trade.
So Luke, how are you doing? I'm using this this tag from Meteora. I also did a juicy airdrop from Meteora. It was kinda, so I got kinda 5k USD from Meteora for using their tech. So there will be also a season 2 airdrop on Meteora, I think. $0.5 in profit. Better than zero.
I'm not here for luck or thrills. I stack edges, sharpen skills. Charts don't lie and time don't wait, so I stay ready, seal the fate. Win or lose, I learn and grow. Trade with calm, let profits flow. It's not a gamble, this is craft. Trading smart, not chasing fast. No FOMO, no noise in my
small short position here, guys. Let's see how this works out. We have a fast look on Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin printing here? Wow, oh my god, okay. Looks so bad, not gonna lie. Potentially we see another small push here on this level. Kinda retest here on this level. after we retested this level, we see probably more downside. Bitcoin is completely down, guys. So really be careful if you long at this level here at the moment. You could try to catch some longs if we hold this bottom here. If you hold this bottom here, find somewhere support, somewhere, let's make somewhere here in this area, push higher, retest, and then fire up. This was like, could be possible. This is a bull case, okay? It doesn't need, you should probably will after we go to this bottom here, we will see more downside, in my opinion. So really be careful if you trade this at the moment. For entertainment, we caught some shorts here on Solana. Solana is now trying to hold here. You will see how this plays out. So 9.7. We have Met, which is developing good. Stark is developing good. Aster is doing good as well. So we have still a few coins that are not doing that bad at all. But does this mean if these coins are not doing bad that we're trying to short them after a rejection? I don't know. Still possible that this, wow, okay, Zcash is still holding and pushing higher. So definitely don't try to short Zcash if you don't lost any levels. If you lost some levels, you can try your shot. 605, yeah. But it's too late to catch this now, you know. You could take a shot here. Potentially you could make some money here if you try this. Why is my trading view so buggy? Let me refresh it fast. What is going on here? What? Why there's so many lines? Yeah, Bitcoin is trying to push higher here, which is kind of good. Still be careful, guys. What's going on, Luke? I started for 250. What's your opinion? What? In short is a better. What do you mean? Oh wow, my soul is not looking good anymore here. Yeah, Zcash short, you can short it potentially higher here. Wow, just called it and then it's pumping, you know. I just wanna show you how this long position would look like here. So at least this, you see this, this, risk reward is still good. So if you have like a risk reward of 2 point something, it's most of the time still worth it to play. So at the moment we see some momentum pushing the markets higher here on Zcash. Just kind of strange movement, not gonna lie, out of this lows here.
Midnight sessions, eyes half closed, volume fades, but I stay composed. One more zone.
Amazing stuff is going on here, guys, really.
All these charts, they speak in code, but I've learned to read the flow.
My Solana short is not looking that good. I give it at least this rejection here. If we go higher, I will close it and say, okay, it's fine. Take me out. Next time I will make it better. I will take another shot. You know, in trading, everything is about probabilities. You don't need to be every time right. I'm only maybe, I think 60% in the time right. And all the other percentages I'm doing with my risk reward. Fast look at NQ. Well, NQ is also rejecting here. Good for shorts. What's Bitcoin doing? Holding here. We have like this level here, which is lower zone of our VWAP sessions band. And Bitcoin's trying to push here, guys. Interesting, yeah? Let's clean it a bit up. Yeah, a lot of lines here on my chart. Like it's too much.
Hey, late chart, are you live tonight? Did New York bring that candlelight? I got that trade desire.
It looks like choppy markets here, not gonna lie. Potentially we're chopping here more around on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not going higher and not going lower. In some way it could make like this here, and then it will decide if we go to the low or to the bottom. Are we going higher or lower? Potentially ranging here. It's Friday. Traders, prop firms, everything probably already have some free time and time off. So play it safe here. My Solana is close to getting stopped out here. Zcash, yeah, I can play Zcash potentially. At some point, yeah, if you go higher, I would maybe join you. You know, momentum is king here on Zcash. Nearly on every coin, momentum is king. If you see some momentum kicking in, like this big of a candle, and you see most of the time a continuation. Really most of the time. Interesting what we can see here. If we can make a higher high here on the top, be really interesting here. Yeah, guys, what are we doing now, really? Everything's not working that well here. This guy's pushing higher here again. I definitely need to close my Solana soon here. Oh wow. So we're now sitting on my, where's my This reward here. What time is it? Some volume is kicking in here in the markets. Zcash short soon. Wow. I'm a bit too slow for today, I feel like. Hey guys, be careful here. If you're also trying to short this movement here. Another green candle to the upside and I will short this. And I will close this, my trade here. Haven't worked out. I just front run this downside movement here. Was a bit too early here. Because we still had a support zone here in this level. Let's have a look how Bitcoin is reacting. Same movement on hype. So if you look like this, we are only ranging here on hype. We're always going from the low to the top to the sideways here again, trying to push higher, then down to the bottom, then higher to the top. It's like kind of sideways movement here everywhere on this hype coin. Solana is not. Yes, it's kind of different here. We will see now how this reacts here on these levels. If we go lower, it's fine. If not, then I will close it and took the L. Let's have a fast look at Zcash. I really enjoy to trade fast Zcash here, but I'm much more interested in longs here if I see this momentum kicking in than shorting. So I know, Luke, you're a fan of shorting some levels here, especially this level here above, this orange line level. Market is bearish, definitely market is bearish, but we have a 14% pump on Zcash. Like if you go to higher time frames, it's all going down. Yeah, I know. Interesting to see now what's going on. So I'm still here in my Solana short. We're respecting this level here on top. Let's see and wait. I would also try to take a shot on the Zcash, potentially. It depends how this reacts on this level here on the top. Maybe I will short with you. Pump is looking good here. Looks good for shorting here. Short here. Down here. Top here. Risk reward 0.2. Easy. So we're just checking out some setups here. Just looking for some setups. At the moment I'm not satisfied with the setups here. I'm not trading that much at all at the moment for today. We're again in a choppy sideways phase of the markets. We don't see this really nice pump to the upside, but we also don't go much lower. So yeah, we're slowing down a bit, but it's kind of usual because it's Friday for today, so volume is declining for the weekend at the moment. Or did I try to long this VWAP here? At this area with this big bottom wick? Really? Oh, why I short is this? Kinda stupid, not gonna lie. If I look at this and on TradingView it looks like stupid to short this. Why I entered here my short? So fast look at Zcash. Zcash is pumping higher. We could have taken this long here. We didn't do this. We will see how this market reacts to this level here on top. If we see a rejection, I will join, probably a short. It's a good, probably potentially a good level here. Let me check if I can have a look at my CoinGlass. Then we can just watch it together what the market is showing us here. Where we have liquidity zones on Zcash. Okay, the first reaction candles. Let's wait. That's not loading. It's again not loading. I'm sorry guys, I can't load liquidity maps here. Have a look here on Solana. Not a good trade. Really. Let's see if it works out or not. Zcash is up close to 20% here on the scale here on based app. Can you see this? No, probably not. Wow, okay. Zcash kicks in with the first red candle on a 3-minute time frame. Interesting. You already took that short here on top at 6:01. Wow, look at Bitcoin, this rejection here on my level. You see this? You see my arrow? Okay, I haven't drawn it before, okay? You see this? Holy. Also on point again. Just dived into my green zone here, and now we're rejecting here again. So markets looks definitely weak. Definitely not pushing higher. We're only going lower at the moment.
Emotionless moves, this ain't a game. I trade the edge, they chase the fame. Check the P&L, yeah, we just ate another W. That's checkmate. You got stopped out. Reset, learn. No revenge, just wait your turn.
You put in an order. Let's have a look. At 6:15, okay. It's far away. 6:15 is up here. I don't think if we can go that far. We will see. So 6:15 is up here. Yep. Yeah, interesting. So we have the first top wick candle here. Now we'll potentially have another top wick candle here. At the moment it looks already that we're rejecting here, in my opinion.
$5 in the fire, a flicker on the screen. 1 million is the target, the ultimate machine. They watch the candles fall.
We could short here potentially already. Short, yeah, you can short. You can try a shot here on short. I think it's a good thing here to small short. I only take a small short because we are front running a bit. Let's see if we can get something here. You know, trading is all about taking shots. Okay, I'm not getting filled. Yeah, I didn't got filled here. I hope you got filled, Luke, and made some. You're still in profit probably now. I still didn't get filled here. Look at Sol.
Every single pixel, I know when to lock. Through volatility's roar, I won't lose my grip. Calculated move.
Nice rejection candle here from Zcash. Let me see if I can get into it here at some point. Probably yes. Okay, I'm also in here. We have 2 minutes time to close under the top. If we just move to the upside here, then we definitely need to close earlier, because I don't want to risk a lot on this trade here. It's kind of risky here, not gonna lie. So we took the first reaction here on this upside move. We haven't waited for any confirmation. We haven't waited till we grab this liquidity on the top side. just went in because we saw the momentum to the downside, or the short sellers kicking in, or the TP takers. You're not touching it? Okay, okay. Let's see and wait. Interesting phase here on the markets. Oh wow, okay, okay. Is Bitcoin rising here? Yeah, be careful here. Better play safe than, yeah, you're just already trading a lot of things, and you're always switching from long to short, so just play it really safe. I will add more. Yeah, play it safe, play it safe. Take it easy. I'm just always looking at Bitcoin here, and Bitcoin is kinda holding this range here at the moment. Every entry calculated, no room for mistakes. While they chase emotions, I'm the second tape, trading like I'm waiting, measuring the take. Temperature cold when I'm sizing the play. Numbers don't lie, let the indicator say. Been in these trenches since 2017. Watch 1,000 blow accounts chasing the dream. Yeah, okay, this is kind of rejecting here again. Solana is trying to push higher. Bitcoin, not really. So we definitely need to wait here. If we see one direction, because we're kind of stuck in this range here. Push higher here, potentially long. Push lower, potentially short. That's all. This is always the... Yeah, I feel like it's the same thing nearly every time. You can always take a shot. You can always take some profits. You can always lose some trades. Like everything is kind of probabilities. For me, it looks like more like frauds at least. And we're also, if you're shorting here some coins, you're also playing with the overall trend at the moment. So we have also some kind of edge additionally in the market if we trade the same direction like the overall trend.
Yeah. London Open. US Open. Let's go. Seal the trade.
We're doing good, I think. We're just sitting in two red positions, but I feel like the analysis is on point, and especially if we get stopped out, it's okay. We take that L. But at least if our analysis is good and we make like kind of this risk reward and risk management, then everything should be fine. Oh, Zcash is pushing higher. Maybe it's going for your high at 6 something, 615. Where is it? 6 here. The first zone is 6.5 and then 6.15. Let's have a look. I'm a bit tired already, guys. I'm sorry. Money in Zcash down, disappeared. Okay. Short is a bad idea. Yeah, and liquidation wise, be careful here. If you're looking for the liquidity, as Luke said, no liquidity to the downside, more to the upside. So if it disappeared, this means a lot of longers took profit, maybe. Yeah. I'm right. Yeah, you're right. Okay, market is trying to push. Everything's pushing here. Zcash is pushing. Soul is pushing. Let's have a look at Soul here. Oh wow, I tried to short this VWAP here with this bottom candle. I really don't know why I did this. In hindsight, it looks really stupid. Fast look at Zcash. Zcash is holding here on top, but it's not moving higher, so we are losing a bit of momentum here on Zcash, definitely. That's it here at the moment. It's not much going on, guys. It's Friday. It's more like a chill, fun stream for today. I hope everyone have a nice Friday and a good weekend coming. What are you doing on your weekends, guys? Chat. You took some days off from the charts, or are you just looking at charts? Really? You should take some time off. I don't know yet if I stream tomorrow because I probably have something to do in the evening. I'm not 100% sure. Zcash is slowing down a bit. We will see how this develops here. I don't want to risk a lot on this trade. Potentially close it earlier. Take a small L. I took that shot here. Weekend. Every day is a weekend for me. This sounds good, PsyPearl. If you see every day as a weekend, then every day is a fun day for you. Okay, Bitcoin is kind of stuck here in this range. We're not moving to the upside, we're not moving to the downside. It looks like more bigger red candles to the downside here. Yeah, I feel like it's a good mindset to have, like, what is weekends? I don't need weekends. Every day for me is the same. Nice mindset, yeah. These are these Jakarta people, yeah. They're more chill, I feel like. Indonesia guys are really chill. And always laughing if I see them. Really nice people. So let's have a look at my So I need at least 50 followers to get this VIP things going. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, Soul is turning green here again, guys. As I've been said, we potentially see a sell-off. At the moment, we are not in a zone where we can, celebrate this win here. But we will see how this develops. Bitcoin made a lower low here on a shorter time frame. Let's see if we can continue to the downside here.
Markets on fire, trend climbing higher. Seals in the booth, hearts alive wires. Sniping that move like a seal on prey. Streaming it live, seal the trade all day.
So I see a lot of guys on crypto Twitter losing a lot of money, guys. It's kind of crazy. So also experienced traders losing a lot of money on trades at the moment. Yeah, it's not much going on here, guys. So Solana is turning green here again. Maybe we see a lot of more downside here, potentially. Zcash is not moving at all here. Potentially we also entered a bit too early, maybe. You will see how this plays out. My position is really small, so 0.07 Zcash is only $41. Kinda small. Most of the time, if I enter this Zcash position, my position size is nearly 0.3, 0.5, something like this. So it's okay. What about your beat position? You closed it already, Luke? So we have this level here, this level here, or you're still into the short of this beat? I think you tried to short somewhere here. Maybe. Or here again. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a bit tired, guys. It's already Friday and about 3 o'clock for me. 2:45, 42. Make some espresso. You also know espresso? Do you have in Indonesia good espresso? I think Indonesia is also a tea country, yeah? You like to drink tea. most of the time, yeah. I think there are also big plants of tea. That's good, yeah. I feel like it's healthy. If you're not drinking too much, I think it's really healthy.
$5 in the fire, a flicker on the screen. 1 million is the target.
It's the purpose of life, I think, yeah. What's the purpose of life?
Watch the candles fall.
Drinking coffee?
Say it's just a phase.
Living to drink tea and coffee?
Through this digital
I don't know.
haze. From 5 to the mill.
Maybe it's also the purpose to trade some crypto. I don't know.
Every single entry reflected in my eyes.
But I really enjoy drinking coffee and tea, especially espresso. In Asia, I think to get good espresso is really hard. So you can of course do it by your own. Yeah, it's the most. It makes sense, yeah. Just to do it by your own. You also have a grinder for your beans. Or you have like this full automatic machine. So I like most of the time this Italian machines where you do everything by your own. So you grind your beans, put it in this, I don't know, not full auto, and too lazy to grind my own. Okay, it's good. And too lazy to grind. Yeah, it's good, it's still good. I bought grounded kilos already. Less tasty but simpler. Yeah, really simpler, yeah. Sure. And could be tasty as well. So it's still good. If it's like vacuum packed or something like this. Like with no air inside, packaged, it should be fine. And still good. Yeah, vacuum pack. Yeah, it also only needs espresso, so not much water. Only the pure taste of this espresso. I feel like it's the best one. Like a typical Italian style. It's my favorite. Not much calories, not much milk. Sometimes you can put some milk in it. It's still good, but I don't like this sugar or other stuff that most of the countries put in. How about you? How do you like your coffee? Some whiskey on it when I code or trade. Oh, you're also a coder? You can code some stuff? I heard some Russian people also do stuff like this. For example, if they want to learn something really fast, they also drink a shot of vodka, and then they can learn much faster. Wow. Is whiskey one of the favorite spirits in Indonesia? So whiskey. I don't know what's Indonesia drinking. Maybe beer? I think everywhere you can drink beer. But spirits? I don't know. Arak. Whiskey is Western. Okay, I haven't heard about Arak. Arak sounds like, I don't know. Sounds like not that juicy. What is Arak? What is the spirit made of? Out of rice or out of potatoes? I probably can buy some Arak here. I will try to taste it, maybe on stream someday. From cassava. I haven't heard about cassava. Okay, rice, of course, I know. But what is cassava? Let me check what's cassava. I haven't heard before about cassava. So it's like a high percentage, yeah, probably. Oh, cassava. Species of flowering plant in kind of a flowering kind of a plant. Okay. Cassava is the third largest source of carbohydrates in the food in the tropics. Some Balinese arak are smooth, I think is from coconut sap. Okay. Okay, from coconut sap, it sounds juicy. Could be nice. Abacha. What is abacha? Cassava flakes. Okay, interesting. Cassava, it's kind of a root or something. No. From the American tropics. Interesting. Okay. Here's some new stuff about culture. Culture is always nice. We're not doing a lot here on Bitcoin at the moment. We're sitting here on the bottom range here on our VWAP extension. Potentially we're going back to this 94,800 level. This is one of the scenarios that could happen. Or we could just, just range here in this market at the moment. There's not much going on, unfortunately. It's a bit slow, so Zcash is also getting into profit here. Let's see if we can lose some levels on Zcash as well. Here's getting some volume into the markets. My position is not that big here. Wow, okay. Sol is also shown. Is there some, probably not, no news here. And yeah, not much going on here. Slow day here at the moment. Most of the traders are probably already in the weekend. So I want to see a rejection here and then a continuation to the downside, and then my positions should work out here. We have a good sell-off candle, but this candle here, I don't like so much here. I wanna see a close at least below this level here. Close below, and then we definitely have some potential downside move here on Zcash. We will see and wait. Sol is close to our break even here. Trying to push a bit, but not that much. There's not much volume going on at the moment. There's not much volatility anymore. Wow, look at Bitcoin. I feel like the Bitcoin analysis was again on point. Probably will test our green zone here on the bottom again at some point, and then the market will decide if we push higher back or completely reject here and sell off. So it's kind of interesting things going on. So we haven't seen this relief rally that I've been expected before. But we take it level by level, guys. So you can't be always right. You only try to make some money out of these markets. So it's not that important that you're always right. So, and we're close to our green support zone. In this way, my analysis was again on point. So I could bank on this analysis, but it's okay. So Crank Ape, I hope you also closed your longs early, because we have still the potential that we're going lower. Wow, look at Sol compared to Bitcoin. You see this? You see the difference? Sol is much stronger here compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is okay, nice. Good to know. Look, nice to see again. Close. Yeah, Bitcoin is completely rejecting. Kinda strange. Today we see again nearly same formations like yesterday. So altcoins are not that weak like Bitcoin. This is not typical. Normally it's like if Bitcoin sells off, altcoins will sell much more off. I have a fast look it at Ethereum. Where's my Ethereum? Load Ethereum here. Get it on here. So what's ETH doing? Oh wow, okay. Holding strong, not gonna lie. Alts are holding much stronger than Bitcoin. This is definitely not typical. And it looks like Bitcoin is highly manipulated, really. But here, look at my arrows here. I haven't drawn it yet. I have already drawn it before. So you see this? Nice movements here, yeah. Really nice and clean movements here from Bitcoin compared to other coins. Looks nice.
Yeah. London Open. US Open. Let's go. Seal the trade.
So we only haven't banked on it. This is the only thing that I don't like. At some point I see also Solana selling off. Definitely.
I don't chase, I wait, I hold discipline, that's my blade. Every move calculated. Click the mouse, the line gets crossed, risk defined. I know the cost, no emotion, just the plan.
So we have a kinda double bot, double top here on Zcash. And we closed under this level here. Let's wait and see how this develops.
I'm not here for luck or thrills. I stack edges, sharpen skills. Charts don't lie and time don't wait, so I stay ready, seal the fate. Win or lose, I learn and grow. Trade with calm, let profits flow. It's not a gamble, this is craft. Trading smart, not chasing fast. No FOMO. No
So
noise
Luke,
in
are
the
you
zone.
still in
I
your
trade with a plan, I trade alone.
leads trade, or you already closed it or earlier? Let's have a look here. Wow, okay. Went up a lot here. Hype is doing better than Bitcoin as well. So every coin is nearly doing better than Bitcoin. There are only a few exceptions. So we have Jupiter down 7%. But if you look overall, you have a kind of similar movement like Bitcoin. Aster is one of the exceptions here, where we have definitely some strength, and Zcash of course as well. I'm a big fan of Aster. I'm holding a lot of Aster spot because I feel like this is one of the coins that will go much higher if we see another leg up. Because it's like yeah, it's like a DEX on Binance Smart Chain that is highly pushed by CZ Binance, or CZ, you know. This is the reason I'm a fan of this coin. Yeah, really not much going on at the moment, guys. But I think I will call it a day now, because the market is kind of slow. We don't see good entries here anymore. Maybe we see at least a sell-off from Solana down to this range here. So I can take some profits here maybe. Only a few dollars. My positions are really small today again. At some point, if the next day is getting stronger and better, we will scale, or I will scale up my positions a bit to make more profits. But it's hard at the moment to trade, really. A lot of traders I know are struggling at the moment. Yeah, guys, I call it a day. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful Friday. I will probably stream tomorrow. If I stream, I will stream earlier than today, because I have some stuff to do in the evening. Some kind of business meetings here in the evening. So yeah, thank you for watching. It was kinda low market action here for today and not that long, but I appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you for watching my stream, and I will probably be back tomorrow. Cypers, thank you for watching. Crank Apes, thank you for watching. Luke, thank you for watching. Also Yo-Yo, you're like my, yeah, definitely VIPs, guys. So if I have this feature, I will give you definitely VIP status here on my stream. Thanks for watching. Keep it slow, have fun on the weekends, and see you maybe tomorrow. Peace out and bye bye.